Alright guys, today we're gonna clean that deck. You can see how dirty is that. We try a little bit already on this piece. Look the difference between how we clean a little bit and the rest of the deck. You will see it's gonna be huge difference. Guys, you can see the difference. We just did half of the deck. We're not finished yet, but still it's a huge difference. You can see here before over there and after. I mean before here of course, and after over there. That's a huge difference. Alright guys, we finished the deck. Look at that beautiful deck. It's better than new. Just perfect. It's still wet. When it's gonna dry, it's gonna be even better. But if you need that kind of service, you can call us, you can text us, you can email us, and look at that chair. Also like brand new. Alright, thank you for the video guys. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Bye bye.